Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can remove your Visa card from Foodpanda. It's very easy thing to do. What you have to do is first open your Foodpanda app from your device and log into your account. After logging in, you will see a bunch of options here. Food, delivery, search, account. Tap on the account here, then you will redirect it to this section. From here you will see orders, favorite, payments, addresses. We will remove Visa card, so it's a payment option, so we will go to payments. Then you will see your Visa card option here. If you already had it, so just you will see an option remove in besides it. Just tap on it and it will be removed from your Foodpanda. You can also do it another way. Just order something and go to cart, and here you will see add payment method, and from there you can also remove your Visa card from there. And that's how you can remove your Visa card from Foodpanda.